In this video, we're going to be unboxing a care package sent to us from Rabbit Labs. This is one of the coolest and funnest unboxes I've done because it's just so many items. All the links will be in the description. I'm doing a voiceover, and now let's start the unboxing, everybody. Again, big shout out to Rabbit Labs for sending this out to me. Really excited. Just hit the microphone. Let's just go ahead and do this. I'm excited. This is the biggest unboxing probably ever done, and my knife is dull. So that's another thing. I should probably pre-open this. I don't know. The knife's dull for a reason because I like doing knife tricks, and there's been a lot of times I have a lot of close calls. But yeah, I have all the product links. I'm going to post all the product link in the description because I just realized that I'm not going to be able to post it in the chat because it's going to be a limit how much I could post in there. But I'll put their Discord in there. I'll put their website in there. Fragile. Okay. Here we go. You guys ready for this? Dude, it's so big. Packaging. Okay. Ooh, okay, we have like a little, let's put all this stuff out. Look at that, they got some cool packaging, that's pretty cool. I think it's the first time I've seen like logos on this, so that's really cool. That's a nice touch. I don't know if this has, I don't know what's in here. Oh, stickers, okay. So, okay. So we're gonna have to, I guess this is gonna be an unboxing and then unboxing basically. This is so cool. Ooh, mystery box. Cool, so this is good because then I can actually lay it out better too. I'm gonna move the box, everything's gonna fall out. Ooh. I have an idea what this is. This is really exciting. I can't wait to open this one. Alright, and that's it for the box. Alright. Let me go ahead and shut off the overhead light. How cool recording this. Okay. Oh, they sent me a bunch. What? They sent me a whole bunch. All right, hold on. All right, we didn't miss any. Cool. Oh, that's so cool. All right, we already got a cool one here. So a little bit explicit. Ooh, that's cool. That one I think is YouTube safe. I'm sorry because I have to be good on YouTube because you know YouTube hates me. So I already have a strike, so I got to behave. Really cool. Recording here. Ooh, okay. Rabbit Labs Phantom. Oh, cool, look at that. Oh my god, it has like one of the Nintendo. I haven't seen one of these in so long. Is this Nintendo DS pen? So cool. Sorry, my ADHD is just like, I saw something that reminded me of something. Let's get the camera to focus. Come on, $300 camera. Can you focus? Oh, yeah. So I believe this is the Phantom. So let me go ahead and pull up some information about the Phantom. This one's called the Phantom. Comes preloaded with Ghost ESP firmware. After the original dev left, the community took over and honestly made it better. You can also flash Marauder or Bruce. Oh, cool. We can put Bruce on this if we want to. Which we're very familiar with on this channel. Using the web page or use the web flasher tool, etc. Okay, so this is basically kind of like, it sounds like you can flash a Bruce firmware on it, ESP30. So it's kind of like how we have the LilyGo device, the LilyGo CC1101. But this one has custom firmware already on it. So I kind of want to turn it on and see if it, Phantom. Oh, wait. Oh, that was so cool. All right, is this touchscreen? Hold on. That was a cool animation. I think we're leaving this firmware on here. So Bluetooth, do we scroll a lot of stuff on it already? Back. Is there a button or something? I feel like, oh, here we go. Yep. Wi-Fi. Scan access points, scan. Pretty cool. So we're going to have to do an in-depth review on this, but the Phantom. And the little pen, how easy is it to go back in? That's so convenient. All right, cool. I'm going to level with you. That's pretty nice. Oh, this is like just, okay, all right. Oh, it's merch. Okay, hold on. Rabbit Labs. Sweet. Okay. Oh, dude, thank you so much. I've been needing these for some projects, actually. That is cool looking. I don't want to use it, though. Like, I want this on display. Like, how many gigs is this? Just tell you, like, what's the storage on it? Yeah, I'm definitely not going to use this for an MP3. I'm going to be using this for some fun things. Sweet. I love the kid. I got to tell you, whoever did your branding, your marketing, great job. There's all little, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's like little, it's not going to focus. $300 camera won't focus. There's like little designs and stuff on them. Wow, this is like an event. Like, this is not even just an unboxing anymore. I feel like this is an event. Look at all this stuff. We got a lot of stuff to add in the, oh, this is like, I want to punch razor. Oh, cool. Ooh, what's this? Okay. Ooh, look at that. You know what that looked good in? Blacklight. Yeah, that looks cool. This is going to look cool. What is... Oh, no. Yes. Okay. Oh, my goodness. Finally. This is the first company to send me a mug. Yes. Okay. You know, I'm a big coffee drinker. I literally post good morning with a cup of coffee in like every Discord chat, like every morning. Let's go. Finally, the first time. Well, you're going to get a lot of pictures on YouTube of me drinking coffee out of this thing now. So shout out to any vendors. I mean, you want caffeine is what makes me actually feel things. I'm numb without it. You know what that reminds me of? Like an M1 Grand. Cord, Rabbit Labs. I'm gonna have a fun time editing this one. This is an event. Okay. Whee! Okay, we're good. I thought that broke something. Alright, so we got little things inside of a big thing. What is this? Oh, the IR blaster case. Okay. Case by Tron. No way. I think they did. Alright, so it looks like a flipper module. Starting to make sense. Okay. So I'm guessing this attaches to your flipper. Oh, okay. Okay. Making sense now. Lining up. Hold on, I don't want to break it. There you go. That's nice. The IR blaster. I could put that link in the description. I'm pretty sure I have that one set up. That is cool. Now, I don't know if I'm... Oops. I don't know if I'm going to try it in this video. Look how cool that... This is going to make my flipper look sick. So right now, I got the standard case here. But we got this see-through one. So I think I'll maybe I'll do a separate video with this somewhere just to show. I might take a picture and post it or something. Like, I actually do take this apart. I don't do it in this video, but if you watch the raw, long live stream video, at the end, you'll see me actually put this together. This is going to look cool. I don't know how hard it's going to be to take this shell apart. I've never done that before. I've never taken apart a flipper before. It doesn't feel like my case is over here. It actually has like a rubber feel to it. So that mixed with the other thing. There we go. 0.5 lens. No, it is fun. That's the thing. I want to get into the good stuff. That's the whole thing. Like, if you go, when the podcast comes out, come watch it. Like, there's a plan. This is beginner friendly stuff. That's what I'm all about. But this really isn't. What I'm about to unbox is not beginner friendly. There it is. The Rabbit Lab Super Starter Kit. How cool is that? Look at this guy. So this is going to be fun to build my own projects and just experiment with. Like, I finally have like a kit. So let's open this up. So we put the link in the description. See what they got in here. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Layers? What? All right, hold on. There's layers. Look at all this stuff. What? Shut up, Windows. This isn't about you. I haven't seen those in a while. Look at this stuff. This is, wow. Okay, so I have never, what an experience. I literally have a whole kit. I can do whatever. That is exciting. I'm so excited. I forgot about it. It came with another sticker. That is cool. I'm like speechless on this one. Like, that is sick. Is that not cool or what? Thank you very much, Rabbit Labs, for sending this out to me. This is probably one of the coolest, the funnest live streams I've done doing unboxing. Really do appreciate it. If you're curious about the see-through case for the Flipper Zero, go ahead and watch the full live stream. I'll leave that link in the description, and all the product links will be linked in the description. And if you use code GHOSTSTRATS05, you can save 5% on your order. Thanks again, Rabbit Labs, and remember, safety is an illusion. I'll see you guys in the next video.